Seek V+P solution for CNC operation training. What is the traditional CNC teaching model? What are the pain points? The separation of theory and practice leads to unsatisfactory teaching effect. Beginners are afraid to operate the machine for the first time because of the high risk. The operating cost of the real machine is high, and the equipment is easily damaged. The programming processing verification is inconvenient, time-consuming, and insufficient teaching time. CNC system update fast. Only familiar with a single system affects the development of employment. To solve the questions of traditional teaching, SEEK proposes a V+PS teaching solution. The V+PS is composed of a virtual machine and a physical machine, the perfect solution for CNC operation teaching and training. The virtual machine is customized one-to-one according to the physical machine. Simulation software is not only a G-code program verification software, but also provides a digital platform. The simulation software includes multiple languages and current mainstream CNC systems, including Siemens, Fanuc, Heidenhain, more than 60 versions. Power on. Product modeling. Fixture installation. Blank clamping. Selected tool. Return to zero. Tool setting. Close the door to start the simulating processing. Verify the program. Alarm appears. Reprogramming. If no alarm appears, the program is verified successfully. After the simulating processing completed, send the program to the physical machine. Do the real processing in the physical machine. Applying the simulated and verified program to process in the physical machine greatly reduces the probability of error. The processing results are consistent with the simulation. Learning in advance on the virtual machine can achieve the integrated teaching of theory and practice, which protect the safety of students and equipment. USW is built in a variety of CNC operating systems and can be equipped with a physical control panels of the same system. SEEK V+PS Virtual and a physical combination solution helps innovate new experience in interactive teaching.